I'm Allison Pryor, and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner, step by step in real time, so you can follow along with me. And today we are going to do this beautiful sunset view, and I'm going to teach you easy techniques so that you can enjoy your painting. So if you want to subscribe, you will be able to see all my upcoming tutorials. Let's get started. Now the colors that you need for this painting are cad red, cad yellow, burnt sienna, black, and ultramarine blue, and lots of white. You're going to use a lot of white in this one. And just put on small amounts of paint so that you won't waste it. The brushes you need are a flat chiseled edge brush. It's a fairly big one because I got a bigger 16 by 20 canvas today. And you might even need a bit bigger if you want, but I'm going to try this one. And I got a bristle brush, my bristle brush, with those nice bristles coming off there like that. That's that one there. I just want to have my name on. Like I say, if you want one, just let me know. And I have a liner brush. So you can have a couple of different sizes of each, just to be sure you have enough. And if we need any more, I will let you know. Now, like I said, I have a 16 by 20 canvas. It's a fairly big canvas today. And I have it taped off on the corners here, just so we can make it look like it has a little bit of a border. All right. That. So let's get started. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a nice little sky color. Get it started at the top. So we're going to go with blue and a little bit of red, purple it up a bit. I'm trying to get a pinkish, purplish color, and lots of white. Now you can see there's two whites, so I could add more color to it. So you have to make adjustments, okay? So you get the color you're looking for. Because I can't tell you, oh, put in this much and put in that much. And, you know, it's entirely up to you. So let's go back and forth. That's pretty. Long strokes. All right. So you're going to need more paint. Back and forth. Long strokes. A little bit of a shadow there, but it shouldn't get in your way there. So pick up some more paint, and then we will get that sky. You have to decide how far down to come, okay? So I'm going to come down about 1/3 of the way. If your paint won't move, just mist it. Not too much water though, because you don't want it to drip. Alright, see, that goes much more smoothly now. You can also use blending gel if you like. Back and forth till you get it all smoothed out. Good. One more red. As long as it's on a little bit of a purplish side, leaning towards the red. So when you mix your blue and red to get purple, add more red than blue. Okay? That's very light. That's why you might have a hard time seeing it, but I want it nice and light because I want this painting to be bright and colorful. Nice. So I think that should do coming down here. So go back and forth with long strokes, and that way you'll get a really nice blend. All right. So I think I'm going to come down here a little bit more. Because it's a big canvas, break it up into 1/3. Now I'm going to add just white. I'm not going to clean my brush, but I'm going to add lots of white to my brush, okay? I'm going to come underneath what I just did. Good. You can even go back up into what you did. It's okay. Because you don't want any straight lines. You want everything to blend together. Nice and white. Nice and white there in the center. Good. Back and forth. As long as your purple is still wet, you can go back up into it. If it's dry, then I wouldn't go back up into it because you'll only cover it up. Alright, so now I'm going to put some yellow on my brush. Some yellow and some white. It's mostly going to be white. Going back in here with the yellow. Alright, so you can go right up into that white that you did. Come right down. And we're going to come down on this side here. And we'll go on the other side. You can go all the way across if you want. Or you can just go back and forth. So it's okay to go all the way across because we're going to lighten up that center soon, and as soon as we get this part done. Okay. So let's get more white than yellow. Okay, good. So white and yellow. There we go. See? Going with some more yellow because I didn't put enough on this side. So this part is pretty simple. All you got to do is put yellow on there and white. And don't worry about that center yet. We'll get that nice and bright, okay? We will get that nice and bright. Good. I'll go back here in the center and move that around a little bit, back and forth, long strokes, back and forth, back and forth. You can even go up into your purple a little bit, so it'll all get that line, so that that line is not standing out, so it all blends in together, see? Good. Don't forget you can mist it now if you're having problems keeping it from it's drying out too fast on you. You can mist your paints on your palette also. See how nice that blends now? So I want you to keep trying that till you get it the colors you're looking for, but it's only yellow and white. A lot more white than yellow. That's pretty so far. So we'll come down to about here. Then we'll go down with the red here, and then we'll leave the rest for the black. So I'm going to add a little tiny bit of burnt sienna, not too much because I don't want you to get fooled up with. Just mix it in with your yellow, just so we can get a little bit of a shadowy color. Not too much. Just take a little bit of burnt sienna, mix it in with that. Now if you have yellow ochre, you can use that also instead. All right, and wait. Let's see what that looks like. All right. That's nice. Got a little shadow going on there. That's nice. You can even turn your brush on the chiseled edge if you want to get some of those shadows in there. Try your chiseled edge. Don't be afraid to turn your brush all different ways, whatever ways you want to. Okay? And a little more burnt sienna to get some little shadow colors in here. There we go. There we go. Now I'm going to turn it the flat way, smooth it out. All right. Yeah, I think I'm going to go down to about here. It's good enough. A little bit of shadow here and here. Good. And now I'm going to clean my brush, I think. Try and get some more of the white in there. Some white. Just pure white. Look at all the white I got in there, look. And I'm going to go right here. Go back and forth, back and forth. I'm going to work my way up. I'll be on my chiseled edge. It's going to go right into that yellow because that yellow is still wet. It'll all blend nicely. See? See how nice that blends? Nice and bright there in the center, isn't it? We'll brighten it up again when it dries. I'll put some more white in here to get it really bright. See, if you add it now, it won't show up as much. So I'll put more in after. That looks pretty good so far. So let's get some red. And we want to put some yellow with our red too, make it kind of an orangey color. But not too much. I'm going to put red on my brush. Some yellow. I don't think I'm going to mix it. I'm just going to see what's going to happen, okay? Could be disastrous. Who knows? I'm going to put the yellow up on top and the red on the bottom just to see what happens. I like to experiment. Let's come in and just come in and more red and yellow on this side. So you're getting some yellow into that red. Isn't that nice? All right. We'll just go right across, make it easy for you. Just back and forth. Yeah, I'm not going to make it too complicated. So red and yellow. All right, and then you just pull that over. And you're getting reds and yellows together. I like that. That's nice. Up here. Good. How far down do we want to go? Let's go down as far as, let's see. Just, it doesn't matter because we're going to put the black over it. That should do it. Should leave some room for your black. And now you're going to clean your brush really, really good while it's all still wet. Clean your brush off so there's no paint on it. And then we'll get these two lines here to blend together, okay? Blend those two lines together. Just a clean, wet brush. Right, see that how it's blending really nice? Look at that. Look at that. Bring it right up into your yellow if you have to. It's okay. You want to make sure it looks really blended. Good. And now we'll add some yellow and white to bring in some more of this nice bright color here. There we go. White and yellow. Didn't mix it, I just threw it on there. Top of your red. You can even go into your red, it's okay. Alright. I'm using the chiseled edge. Good. More yellow and white. These nice streaks of white. There we go. It's pretty. Hope you can see that. Some white in the middle here. Even come right down into my red. Maybe with some yellow. So you just play around with that front there so we can get that nice and bright. When that dries, we'll even add more. Add more yellows and stuff to it. Right now it's just mixing with the red, so that's why you need a little. Now with your same brush, nice big flat chiseled edge brush, flat as could be. Look, just like you can barely see it when you turn it around. So pure black, and we are going to fill in this spot here with black. Come down around here. Good. Now you don't have to be exactly the same as mine. Now this is your painting. You're just using this as a reference, okay? So you can do whatever you want. So I don't want people to get stuck and say, oh gosh, mine don't look like yours. It's okay. You can change it up, add different colors, whatever you want to do. Just use this as a guide. And if it don't come out and you don't like it, you don't have to waste your canvas. You can always paint over it with white and then do another painting over it. Or you can have a look at it and see what spots that you're having a problem with and paint over them and start them again. So if you fool up this part here, you don't have to go over the whole painting. Just go over this part here, that's all. If you fool up the sky, you just put on more colors on the sky. Alright, so